This video shows how to buy shares of Iveda Solutions Inc., a company that provides cloud video surveillance, smart security, and IoT monitoring services, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker IVDA. This is an educational walkthrough, not financial advice. Always research and consider professional guidance. You need a broker account to buy stock, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you must verify the account with an identity document and add funds before buying. Verification typically requires an ID and a short proof of address. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker IVDA to find Iveda Solutions Inc. and locate the correct NASDAQ listing. Select the result that clearly matches the company name and exchange. On the stock page, check the company description and the price chart to confirm it's the right asset, and the exchange shows NASDAQ with ticker IVDA. Review basic company details to ensure it matches the Iveda Solutions profile. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or scheduled, and if you don't have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After the trade completes, your new position will appear in your portfolio, so you can monitor it. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to explore the platform used in this example.